Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with Elf Creations, and today's video I'm going to be using these paper chains. You get these from Poundland. They come in various different designs. Here's three designs that I've got. You got this design here with the burgundies and golds, this one with the greys, blues and burgundies, and then this one which is more whimsical. Now these are paper chains and it makes up to 21 meters. You get 100 pieces in each pack, and I'm going to make some cards using them. I'm going to be using this pack now, and I'm going to be doing a 5x7 card insert, card base, and I have a 5x7 card insert. Now the insert doesn't matter, the colour of the insert doesn't matter, so I've just got this blue one from some card bases that I've got made up for my stash. Okay, so we're going to take out some of each design. I'll probably need multiples, so I'm just going to take one out for now, put the rest to the side. And on my card base I'm going to glue these onto the base of this insert. So using my art glitter glue, I'm going to glue these on. You could also use double-sided tape. Use whatever you have in your stash. I'm going to go as close to the edge as I can. If you have a little overlay, it doesn't matter, overlap, you can just cut that off. These strips are 1 inch wide, so I'm just putting a bit of glue, about an inch of glue on my card base. We're going to turn it over and cut off the excess. I'm going to cut this insert down slightly. Now you can do your inserts whatever size you choose. But I'm probably going to make mine 4 3/4 by 6 3/4, just so I get some of the white card base showing around the edges. Okay, so then that will go on our card base like so. But the first thing I want to do is I want to use my my cutter bug. I've forgotten what it was called, crafters. And I'm going to use one of my tag dies, and I'm going to cut that out. So bringing over my cutter bug, securing it to my work surface, and using an A, B and C plate. That's my B plate, my A plate, put my card base on, and my tag die, put my C plate on, and then I'm going to run this through. Okay, so that gives me a negative space, and I have also got a tag that I can use during the Christmas season. So I'm going to put this back on my card base, and using a pencil I am going to finally, very faintly, trace around my die cut. And then I'm going to stamp, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment, "A very Merry Christmas to you." It's from this stamp set here. I think I got this stamp set from Hobbycraft, which is a craft store here in the UK. Now using my VersaFine, I'm going to ink up my sentiment, then I'm going to stamp it within that space that I faintly drew in using my die space as a template, or a stencil if you like. Okay, so that's that. I'll just give my stamp a quick clean. rub off. Let me put my pin back in before my glue dries out. Okay, let's rub off those pencil marks I should say. My rubber is a bit dirty, so I tend to use this other craft rubber just so it neatens it up. Okay, now I'm going to put on some double-sided tape. This is the Poundland double-sided tape. It's not the best in the world, but it does for everyday craft. If you want something longer lasting, I suggest you get a better quality double-sided tape. Okay, bring over our card base. And I'm going to center this insert and its sentiment. And there we go. Really simple to put together. Here are some other ones using the other. So you can do them in any size that you want. So that one was using that one. This was using the whimsical, and then that was that one. So really quick and easy. I'm going to try and bring you some other craft using these strips. And if you go into Poundland, they are paper chains. Makes up to 21 meters, and you get 100 pieces. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.